In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a workflow in Wrike. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, we've got you covered with these simple steps. First things first, let's get started by heading over to Wrike.com. Once you're there, you'll want to log in. On the upper right corner of the homepage, you'll find the login button. Click on it and use your email to access your account. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the sidebar. There you'll see your profile image. Click on it and this will reveal a drop down menu with various options. From that menu, select settings. Once this is done, you'll see a new set of options. Look to the sidebar again and click on workflow. This will bring up a list of all the workflows available in your account, giving you a bird's eye view of what's at your disposal. This page is where the exciting part begins. You'll be able to make adjustments to any workflow you choose. This includes editing existing workflows, adding a status, or even changing the color settings, making it easier to visualize and manage your tasks moving forward. If you look closely at the upper right corner of this page, there are 3 horizontal dots. These are often referred to as the More Options menu. A helpful tip here, by clicking on these dots you can access additional settings. One of these options allows you to duplicate a workflow. This feature can be incredibly useful if you have a template or a standard process that you want to replicate without having to start from scratch. Now, after making all your desired changes or duplications, it's crucial to save your work. To do this, you'll need to click the Done button. Saving your changes ensures that everything you've adjusted will be applied and kept for future use. Skipping this step might result in losing any changes you've implemented, so it's always a good habit to double check that everything has been saved satisfactorily. And there you have it. Editing workflows in Wrike is that straightforward. By following these steps, you'll be able to customize your workflow processes to better meet your team's needs and enhance productivity. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.